Hi, I'm Rebecca from Jobber. Let's talk about the statuses that you'll see on your invoices. Statuses tell you about the progress of an invoice at a quick glance. The invoice statuses are: draft, the invoice has been created, but it hasn't been sent to a client or marked as sent. Awaiting payment, the invoice has been sent to a client and has not yet been paid. Past due, the invoice is past its due date and hasn't been marked as paid. Paid, a payment for the full invoice balance has been applied, or the invoice has been manually marked as paid. Bad debt. This invoice has been deemed partly or fully uncollectible. Either part of the remaining balance or the full invoice balance has been marked as bad debt to close out the invoice and remove it from the client's billing history. The invoice remains in Jobber for your records, but does not show in the Client Hub. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to check out our Help Center and our other videos.